Did you know that when you draw a simple sphere and a cone, then combine these two forms, that you can now magically draw a bird just like that? By using the principle of form manipulation and form combination, we can easily draw seemingly complex items from imagination in any angle we want, making it much easier to draw whatever we want. By playing with the proportions and adding detail, you can give it your own flavor. And that's it. Now you learned how to draw a bird from imagination. Except you didn't. You actually need to learn how to understand, observe, practice these forms in space. Now you just watch sped up instructions. If you want to learn properly and get full-time guidance, go to artwod.com. We give you the work, not the shortcut.